Alright everyone, well, this is the MRTT unboxing. Supreme Hobbies A330. You've seen them before. We did the A340 last time. So we'll just go ahead and cut the necessary stuff, make sure it's ready to pull the lid off. Of course, these come shipped fairly well in packaged styrofoam, and you can probably do a better job by just lifting very carefully after cutting the tape. This one came from an eBay seller in Fort Worth. You'll see them on the rcairliners.com website. And the eBay seller's account name is Civas1, C-I-V-A-S-1. Check that out for possible deals on A340s that might remain in the U.S. inventory. But no promises. Alright, looks like we're going to start with decals. Maybe. And the packaging itself is pretty much the same as what you saw on our A340 unboxing, so I won't go into that in any more detail. And in fact, that's just a grid sheet. Nothing more. Alright, there's a assembly sheet here, along with necessary military style decals. You've got them for at least 2 nationalities here. You'll know which they are. Alright, next, let's go ahead and get the parts out and get through this as quickly as we reasonably can. Packaged well. Again, it's got the buffer foam preventing dents, dings, and other kinds of damage. I'm just going to go ahead and lift this right on out. I will say this is, again, packaged quite well from its origin point overseas. And I can't speak for where this came from, although I have a pretty good suspicion. For those of you who've ever shopped RC Castle or one of the associated websites, Raymond has been reliable in getting these products over here. With the first wing coming off, there you go. Servo installed. Landing gear already installed. ESC installed. It's got an XT60 here, along with the necessary servo connections. You've got hard points for both the inboard engines, and you've got a covered hard point out here, which is where they put the air refueling drogue systems, the reel and drogue, for wing refueling hoses. Alright, here's the next one. Again, we're just going to repeat ourselves. At the risk of repeating myself, I will say that this packaging is just as good as the A340. Probably, there'll be a good chance that whoever was at the factory actually packaged our A340 also. Alright, here we go with this. There we are. Wing number 2, again, servos installed, landing gear installed. And I'll pull this one out just for a moment, just so you can see what we're looking at for assembly quality. Very, very nice. I wouldn't consider this to be any better or worse in quality than the A340. So, all right, next item. Up for bid. Let's see where we can go with this. Okay, I'm going to abbreviate this a little bit by showing you what's in the box and do it like so. The fuse, you've got the nose section, the main fuse, the tail or empennage, tail feathers, and ESC cooling bay cover right here. The actual instructions are right here. Additional items include, looks like rudder, horizontal stabilizer parts. And let's see what we got here. Electronics. A couple of Y cables, that'd be for the landing gear. Also possibly, well, of course, the wing spar itself, or wing tube, if you will. And we've got nacelles probably in here. There's your nacelles. I know you're interested to see that. So there they are, gray painted, ready to go. And they're keto friendly. All right, with that in mind, I'm gonna wrap this up by saying, look at the A340 unboxing if you wanna see details in the way this comes out and the parts themselves. You'll notice that you don't have the extension plugs for the fuse. So if you're thinking you're gonna do a tanker 600 series, probably not gonna happen. If you do have any questions, feel free to just shoot a message through YouTube or whatever means you're watching this video. I'll get back to you as soon as I see it. I may not see it right away. All right, to like and subscribe, please visit our website, rcairliners.com. And that's it. And remember, we're keto friendly.